Good morning, everyone. Wonderful good morning or good evening or maybe good night. Who knows? I hope everybody had a blessed weekend and an awesome weekend. Let's see what we're doing here. VRC, good morning, good morning. The first one to appear on the stream. Welcome, welcome. Well, had an interesting week. Crypto Panda is here as well. Good morning. Nice to see everyone gathering around. So, we should go over what happened on Friday, and Zoltan is here. Good morning, jó reggelt, jó reggelt. Fellow Hungarian traders here as well. Nice. All right. Hold on a second. Let me just update some settings here. Okay. So, did a few updates on my charts, but that doesn't really matter. Let's go to the Angel. Hello there, good morning. Good to see you, my man. I'm so happy for everyone. You know the drill. Push those likes. Shahid, hello, good morning. Your first time here, guys. Huge applause. Huge applause to Shahid Salim as a new viewer on the stream. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome. And so let's see what is happening. By the way, I'm gonna just say it for now, and I'm not gonna nag you guys with it. I think today is the last day to grab your 80% discount at Apex. Just saying, you know. Also, check out the BULENOX codes. We're glad to have you, Shahid. Glad to have you here. Where are you from? Let me know. Okay, so on the 1 hour, we have some buy-side liquidity on Nasdaq and at 17,650-ish area. And what happened here? On Sunday, we broke lower. Wow, that's interesting. Toronto, wow. Oh my god. That's awesome. Toronto, oh my god. Love that. So, Sunday open took a little bit of liquidity. Liquidity sweep right there. Can be seen on the 1 hour chart, which is great. And so far the only thing, let me check the 15-minute. There was also a bullish order block on the 4 hour, but anyway, there was a liquidity sweep down there at the Sunday open, which was not too long ago. Went up there, no significant structure shift, only seemed like kind of retracement. The next possible zone that this can go should be at this 15-minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Gaurav is here, guys. Huge welcome to Gaurav. Nice to have you here. You know, it's always great to see Gaurav because he's really far from here. and so it's great. I mean, it always amazes me that people from all around the world can gather together. And anyway, I'm not gonna carry it away. I'm not gonna get carried away with this, but it's still amazing. So the 15-minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency up here after the liquidity sweep that happened after the open. It seemed like we might be heading to this fair value gap. I mean, that's the only thing I can see for now. And And so, and that's it. If I go down to the 5-minute, don't forget to push those likes. You're welcome, Gaurav. You're welcome. That's the truth, actually. I'm still amazed. And so, if you really wanted to take long into this area on the 5-minute, could have taken it in the kill zone at around 544. You can still take it if you want to, but be careful. If market opens up, we can end up in a Judas swing or fake out or whatever. You know. Hold on a second. I have to take a really quick phone call. Just a second. All right, I'm gonna put the sound to a real loud one to remind me. Okay, what's Judas swing? I also prep longs from here, but can't see any entry. Yeah, as I said, if some of you guys were trading since the 2 a.m. kill zone start, there was an entry zone at 544. And by the way, the Judas swing Crypto Panda is nothing extra. It's just a fake breakout. That's it. In one sentence, it's a fake out. False breakout, if I may say so. So price breaks out and then takes a swing to the other side. ICT calls it Judas. He's a true believer, just as I am. I believe in God, and so he said, because Judas has been the one who betrayed Jesus. Well, the fake breakout is kind of a Judas swing. Like breaks out, you think that it's gonna go one way and then turns around, boom, goes the other way. So that's why I'm saying be careful, because we can see some break up here, or not even there. Sorry, let me. We can just see something like this. It goes up and then boom. So like a false breakout to the upside, but doesn't really reach that fair value gap. Just goes the other way. Most likely Judas swings or fake false breakouts occur after market open, like in London session. It happens mostly around 3 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. So in the first 30 minutes, that's when it should occur. By the lectures of good old ICT. So yeah. Actually, yeah, Gaurav just said it. Fake move before the real, yeah. That's it. Trader Oracle is here. Oh my god, I'm so glad everyone is here. Huge applause again. Thank you so much. Hard to tell if we are in second stage distribution. Yes. It's very, very hard to tell. We don't know if we are doing a market maker buy or sell model right now. If we go out on the 1 hour chart, the only thing we can be assured of is that we had a very nice liquidity sweep. We swept Friday London lows at the Sunday open down there. So this was a real nice sweep. And the most and only logical place for price to go into is this 15-minute CB. Right here. This would be the most logical place to go. And by the way, I'm just telling you guys, please excuse me. My phone is going to ring in a few minutes. I do have to take it, but it's going to be like 30 seconds, so not a big deal. The AI Brooks version, 80% of breakouts are from trading range. Oh, 80% of breakouts from a trading range will fail. Well, yeah, that's a big truth, actually. That's a big truth. Seen it many times. We are ranging. We have a breakout, and most of the time it just fails. It turns the other way. So ICT calls it Judas swing as a betrayal kind of version. By the way, newsflash. I mean, anybody, guys, you know, ICT is back on Twitter. No surprise there, I guess. But I mean, no disrespect. We love ICT, of course. I learned a lot from him, but I knew when he was staging up his leaving or absence from X or Twitter, I knew he was gonna be back, and he's back. Ukando, good morning, nice to see you. So if we go down to the 5-minute, and then again, we're still before London Open. This is the best reasonable target here, okay? Let's check out ES. There was a new week or new day. Well, actually, we opened up with the gap. That's what matters. The gap has been technically rebalanced on the 1 hour as well. So the gap has been rebalanced on ES. Now, what do we see on ES? Almost the same situation, a very, very tiny, small fair value gap up there, which can it reach for. The big picture tells me on ES that we're gonna go for the all-time historical high. Now I checked this date, it should be all right. From 2022 January, it was 5,029.25. I think we have a good chance to go there right now. I mean, not today, of course, but in the upcoming days or weeks. So if ES is going to be, again, the driver, then it should be pulling NQ up as well. Now, I know you guys are not interested in Russell. Let's check the dollar index as well. I actually thought ICT would do a Twitter space. Yeah, he did a space on YouTube about religion. Looked like he wanted to. Yeah, he looked like it. But he did a so-called space on YouTube on his new channel about religion. I think it was like a 2-hour lecture about the Bible or something. He has this new YouTube channel now, but it's only about religious stuff. Okay, so the dollar index, just for reference, dollar index is ranging on the 4-hour. The 1 hour is also ranging. Nothing extra happening with the dollar index. So guys, let's go back to Nasdaq. So far, the only thing that we can observe is that we are going back to this 15-minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Yes, that's the only thing. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No entries, guys. Nothing I can go with. We had a signal. I'm still testing and using the trend following indicators on MetaTrader, and so far it gave me a long signal right here, which I took on this test account on Nasdaq, aka US 100, and it also had a signal on the Russell, but I did not take that. So that's it. London about to open, exactly. So Market is open, but don't worry, nothing extra. Everything is fine. London is open for business. Let's go down to the 1 minute, see if anything special is going to happen. No news, guys. As you can see, no news today. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely no news. This is the 1 minute Nasdaq. Up there is the 15 minute CB or BC, sorry, CB. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So that's what we have. We have like 20 points. This is the only move that that price can do. This would be the only logical move this morning. We don't have news driver. Nobody is speaking, at least not that we know of. As you can see, market is open, but yeah, not too many things are happening right now. Not too many things are happening. If you have the balls, you can take a long with the proper stop loss. If I would go long here, I would put my stop, well, somewhere in the 30s down there. But I don't know. It can still go down there. Try to play with this fair value gap just to see if it holds. So if it goes down here and if you really believe that it will go up, you can take a long entry. I don't know. We just have to wait and see, but not too much happening. Pulling back into that area. Let's check the higher time frames. No fair value gaps up there. If I check the 3 minute, well, small bullish order block here. So this is the 3 minute. We can see price pulling back into this area. As you can see, this fair value gap was holding price real nicely. This one can be a retest of these levels. So I don't know. Risk reward is actually not too bad. 20 points, 51, 41, 31. With the 1-to-1, you can still go. A 1-to-1 risk reward. If you're very confident that it should go up, it can go. I don't know. I'm not sure myself. But maybe it will run trendline liquidity at the bottom before pushing up. Yes, yes. Camille, hey there. Welcome, Camille. Yeah, it can absolutely do that. So, but this Sunday open liquidity sweep was really nice. I don't know if they want to go down there again after they swept it. I don't know. Risk reward is still good for a 1-to-1 here if you want to take it. It may be the only possible position in the London session. If you're eager to take it, I might gonna take it. I'm not kidding. No joke there. I might take it. The risk reward for me is, I mean, it's okay technically, but what if it falls all the way down and take out today's lows right there, right? Can happen. Can actually happen. Should I take a long? As I said, the risk reward is still okay. Still all right. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm confused. What are you guys doing? Let me know. Are you guys pushing it or not? Okay, now it's at 50. You know what? I took it. All right. I took the trade. It's good with a 1-to-1. It's a tiny trade. It's a very, very small, tiny trade here. So, as always with micros, I'm going to let you guys know about my entry. My entry is at not too good. It's at 550.75. So let me put it here. 550.75. So I'm in drawdown, of course. 73 would be a great TP for me. Risk reward is exactly 1-to-1. This is my trade. That's it. My stop loss is at, I don't even know, 528.50. Let me put that. 528.50. And my TP is 573. No partials, full TP. 573. 573. There. All right. So I just set it up. Let's see how it goes. Just for the fun, you know, it's Monday. Let's have fun. Let's have fun, everybody. I'm flat, keeping my hands warm by sitting on them. Very good idea. My bias is bullish. Yes, I'm waiting for a potential sweep about 547 and an aggressive displacement down with an FEG. Yeah. So, a secondary reason why I took this trade, I only took it on an evaluation account, so no funded account trade with this one. I only took it on an eval, which I am trading much more aggressively, and that's one reason. The second reason, I just told you everything. This would be the only logical move. The not so logical move, which the market can also gives us, is that it just goes down all the way, sweeping liquidity, and who knows what's going to happen after that. So, as I said, I'm only in with micros. So, let's see. Zoltan is also looking for the 574 level. Marco, good morning there. Good morning. Unfortunately, it looks like it wants to go against me. Now, this would be, as I told you guys, an ideally better entry point at this fair value gap if it holds. But as you can see, it doesn't really want to hold. Actually, it's not holding, not even the slightest. So yeah, if it goes down there, that's definitely my exit point, because then it can go and sweep these lows down there, which would be also logical. My problem here is on the 3-minute that, and also on the 5-minute, that it's making a structure shift to the downside, which is not so good. As you can see, on the 5-minute it's making a structure shift. My bias was bullish, so that's why I took the trade. But the 5-minute with this candle and this swing point here is definitely making a structure shift. It's going to close in 18 seconds. And I highly doubt that this candle is going to go back above the 47s in the next 10 seconds, unfortunately. Which means that this long trade is in jeopardy after this close. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, I don't like this, but it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. My overall target was here at the CB, so That's why I wanted to take it. Now I'm just confused. Okay. Let's see if the 5-minute is going to reprice this. Actually, it's almost repriced this area, which can be a possible good sign. Also, there was a market structure shift on the 3-minute chart as well. So that's also interesting. Yeah, when does the 80% end? I think it's gonna end today. I think it's ending today. Maybe it's already ended. I'm not sure. So if you want to grab your discounts, guys, I don't know. I'm most likely they're gonna do a sale again, but I'm not sure when. Maybe in 2 weeks or a month, or who knows. But the Apex 80% sale is going to end today, or maybe it has already ended. So grab your discount because it's a really good price. Also, you can check if you want to grab cheap accounts. You can check my BULENOX codes, TOPSTEP 1 to all the way up to TOPSTEP 6. The reason is because they have so many combinations of accounts. You should try TOPSTEP 1, TOPSTEP 2, TOPSTEP 3, whatever. TOPSTEP 1 and 2 should give the biggest discount. If you want to check BULENOX, also a good deal. I think they had an 87% sale, but I think it's already ended, so that's why you should check the codes. You want 90% off Apex. Well, I'm not sure when they're gonna do it. They did it last time in December, I think, or end of November. So that's why I'm saying for now, 80% off is a good deal. Depending on how many accounts are you buying, of course, or which kind of accounts are you buying. But so far, you know, that's the deal. I'm guessing that after the 80% sale, it's gonna go back to 71%. I think. Not sure though. Not 100% sure. All right. Please push the like button, guys. I'm gonna have to use the bathroom, and I also have to grab a little bit of food because I forgot to eat breakfast. So I'll be back. Please do not go anywhere. Have a good chat, listen to some music. Let's watch the trade. I'll be back in 2 minutes. I hope. I'll be back. I'm back. All right, what happened? Nothing. Okay. Anyway, this is what we're looking for. Nothing has changed. Let's check ES. We did not check ES. ES is also doing the same thing, just hovering here, ranging. Okay. Russell is a little bit looking down, but nothing there. Well, dollar index. What about dollar index? Let's check the dollar index. It's getting a little stronger, right? That's not good for our long position. Looks like it wants to take out previous day high, which is Friday high here. Okay. Can also take out the Sunday high, opening high here. I don't know what's the plan with the dollar index, but we do have some very nice buy side up there, so that doesn't really help to our long trade with Nasdaq, but it's gonna be fine. So this is still the position that I'm in, and hope for the best. And I'm still waiting for that damn phone call. Let me know what you guys are doing. Okay. Not much to do here. Not much to see. Waiting for that CB. Otherwise, I know some of you guys are checking the 1 minute. There was technically a structure shift to the downside, but as I said, if we look at the Sunday open, it was a very nice liquidity sweep. So I would like to see it go all the way up there. And this is the 5 minute again. Where are you trading from? It looks bright and sunny. Yes, actually the window is right next to me. I am in Hungary, Central Europe. Capital is Budapest, you know. Gorov is flat, yeah. So right in the middle of Europe. Want to see a sweep of liquidity. Yeah, I want to see that too, but on the upside. So I'm a European Hungarian citizen. I could say this morning that I'm a hungry Hungarian. But don't worry, I took a bite. So very nice. Thank you. But still, I can say the same. It's awesome to have someone from Canada as well. So I wish I was in your time zone. Well, guys, I do have to say that I'm grateful for the time zone. I know. Gaurav said that you said that you're bullish. Of course, I expressed myself in a wrong way, but I know you were bullish. You said it as well. So actually, I'm very grateful that I live in this time zone because I can trade technically both of the markets in a reasonable time. So for me, the London Open is just perfect. And the New York Open is actually almost just perfect because the New York, the 9:30 Stock Exchange Open for me is at 3:30 p.m. So 3:30 p.m. and that's just perfectly fine. Even the COMEX or the futures open, it's like 2:20 and 2:30 p.m. for me, so that's perfect. And I can trade if I want to all the way until the evening or late night. So US market close for me is 10 p.m. So if I want to, I can trade both markets if I want to sit here. And that's sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not so good. I will start crying on time zone. Oh no, yeah, Gaurav is a little bit far from here. So Brisbane, right? Am I correct? I'm sorry, there was someone else. I was talking to. Although I should know because Gaurav is Brisbane. Yeah, Australia, Brisbane. I knew that. I knew that. Guys, Brisbane. But guys, I mean, look at that, Brisbane. This is Gaurav right now from the other side of the world, and I'm somewhere here, so a little bit far. And yeah, he has a little bit of a time zone issue. Man, I mean, I do love these places. I do love these places. Yeah. Brisbane. So this is Brisbane, guys. While we're waiting, because there's nothing. Oh, this is the call I was expecting, guys. Let me just take it because I was waiting. Sorry, guys. Okay, the trade is going well. Until we wait, let's check out Brisbane. I know you guys like to see. Oh, look at this place. Oh, look at this skyscraper. What is that? That's like an office building or something. Wow. Oh, look at that. The land down under. Can I still enter in this trade? B is asking. Well, you know, you can enter technically if you want to. I'm not saying won't, but it's at 57. My target is at 73. So if you want to enter, you can do so, but please use a proper risk reward. My risk reward is 1-to-1 because it can go down all the way down there. My TP is at 73. So if you enter now, I would say you should put your stop somewhere 46-ish if you enter now. So be careful. It can actually go down like this and then maybe go up. So you have to take that into consideration. This scenario is definitely in the cards. As you can see, this small fair value gap was holding price, but if price once again starts to slip down here, I'm afraid that the 41 level could be taken out easily. So you should be putting your stop at 40 or something. And I'm not sure if the risk reward is cool, but if you want to target the consequent encroachment, which is the midpoint, then maybe you can put your TP at 83-ish, 83, 82, 50. And you can go for it. So technically you can take it, just manage your stop accordingly and your risk. At least have a 1-to-1 risk reward and hold on to the trade as much as you can. So Gaurav says, yes, close to my office. I was long 544 from the bullish hourly fair value gap. 544. Guys, everybody's having much better entries than me. Why is that? Why is that I'm the one who's having the worst entry all the time? I'm having the worst entry all the time. Oh man. Gamecraft trades. Hey there. Same thinking. Stop at 41, long from 43, and TP 79. 79 is a good place, you know, if you want to dig into consequent encroachment. I want to get out from this trade way early. There's going to be some profit taking surely around this level at 72 to 73 area to take out this. So even if price goes up there, which I hope, before that high, there's going to be some measurement of profit taking, so price can consolidate here, but it can still dig into the 79.80 area. There's a high chance for it, so we'll see, I guess. 4 contracts, guys. The day's question, who has the biggest balls, is definitely goes to Gamecraft Trades with 4 contracts. If those are minis, then, you know, going in with 4 mini contracts in London session, you have balls. I give you that. But of course, you know, it depends on all kind of factors. What account you're doing, what experience you have, stuff like that. Anyway, Gamecraft has this real nicely taken. And a good entry from 43 with 4 contracts. Man, you are killing it right now. Yes, they are. Guys. Joey, 4 minis as well. I long ES from... Okay, CryptoLab is here as well. Okay, applause for everyone, guys. Please, if you can help me out with the stream by pushing the like button, I would forever be grateful. I'm going for those likes, so thank you. CryptoLab. Gotta make sure. CryptoLab was calling out some nice trades last week. I long from... And yes, at 49.03, and my target is Friday high. Funded account with TOPSTEP. We have an official funded trader here, guys. Gamecraft Trades. That's nice. That's nice. Let's check out CryptoLab's entry. 49.03. 49. Guys, what the hell? I don't know. The entry is what? 49.03. Dude. Diamond hands. You have diamond hands there. Nice. Okay. This is how it goes. Viewers versus stream host. 1-0. All right. Okay. So everybody's doing better than me. That's awesome. That's awesome. You see, guys, it goes like this. I'm streaming. I should be doing the best trades, not you guys. Why is it the opposite all the time? Everybody's having better entries than I am. I don't know why. No, but really, it's a good trade. It's an awesome trade, by the way. And if you're targeting Friday high on ES, Friday high, you're targeting 34. What the? Wow, that's gonna be an awesome trade. That's gonna be an awesome trade. Erkan is here. Good morning. I so much love that you guys are here as regulars. Can't tell you enough. And I'm sorry, I always nag you guys with it, but I do have to do some commercials. Today's the last day to grab your Apex 80% discount. So if you would like to help out the stream, consider using my code. And I am very, very grateful for everyone who used my code last week. Also, a fairly good sale is going on with the other prop firms too. You can try out the BULENOX and My Funded Futures as well. If you have your first account with My Funded Futures, you can have a 50% or 40 or 50% discount with my code on the starter package. And also BULENOX has like a bunch of codes. You should use TOMSABO 1, TOMSABO 2, all the way up to 6. With option 1 and option 2 accounts, they have at least around 80 or 75% sale, so you can check it out as well. And if you want to go with TOPSTEP, and if you're a brand new customer for TOPSTEP, your first account will have a 20% discount if you use my link. That's it. Gotta make some living, guys. It's all for the benefit of the stream. And honestly, guys, I'm gonna the video is already being edited. I'm gonna do a video. Most likely it's gonna be up today or tomorrow morning. It's gonna be about the reality of prop trading. It's not gonna be the kind of edited video which I did last time. Actually, I was surprised that it seems like I have like 1,500 views on it, although I'm a little bit suspicious because it might be some bot viewers, because I was seeing the equity, the curve, the viewer curve, and anyway, I'm not gonna go into that, but still, I'm gonna do a new video. It's not gonna be edited that much. It's gonna be most likely just a talk, but some good ideas came to my mind. I wrote them down, and I'm gonna let you guys know some of the realities of prop firm trading. As you guys know, and see it in my video as well, I pulled out some money from TOPSTEP already, and looking to build more evaluation or challenge accounts with the Apex, My Funded Futures, and BULENOX too. So yeah. Did you sign up for the free reset at TOPSTEP? I dropped the link. No, I did not. I did not sign up for the free reset. I don't even know where I was. I think I was trading or something. Streaming. I don't know. I forgot to sign up for the free reset. But anyway, next time maybe. I'm expecting Friday high on ES because the what? Oh, hold on. I'm almost at my take profit. Okay, I think, yeah. Take profit reached. Nice. I'm out. I am out. Okay, what else is going on? Thank you, Shahid. Still, you guys are good to hold until at least 83, 84. It's a good place. Consequent encroachment or mid-level is actually a good target to hold. I'm gonna check my Light My Vodka is here. Hey there. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Plus $475 closing the session. Ukando is killing it. I get 2 painful stops trading combine, make it back. Ukando, I'm glad that you made it back. Dude. Sorry, I forgot to check your text before. Ukando is a real genuine guy. He's always contributing much to the community. Me too, out. Nice catch. Passed your 50k eval. Wow, guys, that deserves an applause. Congratulations to Serdar. Congratulations to Serdar, guys. Passed the 50k eval. Is there some trading journal in Apex? In Apex, I'm not sure. I mean, you have a dashboard as well, if that's what you mean. You did a home run. Nice. Serdar did a home run. Very nice, very nice. Congratulations, Serdar. It's always good to see someone passing an eval or a challenge. That's great. That is great. Ukando is going back to do slavery work. Thanks so much for being here, Ukando. It was great to see you, my man. Guys, I'm so happy if everybody makes some extra profit, especially if someone passing a combine or challenge or whatever, you know. That's great. Tom, you demonstrated a great example of trading in direction of the order flow. Well, thank you, Gorov. I mean, I don't want to really brag about it, but honestly, I think there was not really too many other logical choices for price to go, but to trade into this fair value gap. And if somebody would ask me what to do now, I have no freaking idea where price would go right now. I have no idea. We have to see some movement or something. I don't know. But you know, in terms of order flow, as Gaurav said, my key point to go bullish this morning was Sunday open liquidity sweep down there. That point right down there. As soon as I saw that the Sunday open swept Friday lows, and I saw this gap and this beautiful high up there, I was pretty much sure that sooner or later, especially after London Open was so close to this fair value gap, we should be going into that gap. Of course, it could have happened the opposite as well if it just went down there, swept again the lows, but then I would have gave the trade a second chance if I had an entry to go inside that fair value gap. Laura, thank you so much for, thank you. Thank you so much. 2K to go for my 150K TOPSTEP account. Joey, come on, you can do it, man. Laura Marchioro, I like your name. And guys, please consider to subscribe, push the like button, and again, commercial break. Today is the final day for the Apex 80% discount. Consider to use my code. It's somewhere, it's up there somewhere. You know, use it, and there's a link also. Consider it. It's a great deal. I'm not sure if it's still working because maybe they already took it down, but you should check the code. If it's working, grab it because I think today is the last day. Maybe today it's not even working. If not, you can still have some good discounts at BULENOX. Okay, commercial over. Or join my Discord. It's $10 only, and I do hot tub over there. No, let's check the indicator. I'm sure I missed some trades. No, I did not. This custom indicator, this is going to have a new separate video. It's based on MetaTrader 4, but it can be just as perfectly used for future prop firms, futures prop firms, that is. And I took a trade this morning, which was right here, took along on Nasdaq, which was a great one. Actually, I'm gonna let you guys into some trade details. Okay, Apex web says it ends 13 hours, guys. So the code, Serdar checked it, it ends in 13 hours. So the code is down in 13 hours, 80% still. Let me check something. So as I'm testing this indicator, I'm going to show the results to you guys. Okay. So this is a test account at FTMO. Don't mind this. It was yesterday, and I was trading one micro with the Bitcoin just to set up a signal bot. So this doesn't even really matter. This negative $1, but I took the trades 100% on US 100 and US 2000, and I was going crazy the other day on the 25th of January. I was going crazy. As you can see, many lot size here, but the lot size is high because I was scalping, and because this is a CFD on a Forex MetaTrader broker, or sorry, prop firm, or data feed. Sometimes if you want to go with $200 or $300 of risk with only a very small stop, you have to put on like 100 lots or 150 lots or something like that. Anyway, ended up, as you can see, in good profits, 300, 100, and most likely, as you can see, it's not that accurate. I was risking $200 per trade, The risk reward ratio is also not accurate because I was taking partials on some of these trades. And because I was taking partials, the RR is not good, but the risk reward should be above 1. It should be above 1, but the Sharpe ratio is good. 1.75. Profit factor is also good. Win rate should be over 60%. So because I was taking partials, it's not that good. Also, it counts in my fooling around with the Bitcoin on Sunday with the 0.01. So that's why the win rate is not that accurate. But so this account is a 50K account. The consistency percentage is very good. So this is the day where I was fooling around. I admit that, but still, you know, I was trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today is the 7th day, and I'm up 3% by only risking less than 0.5% per trade. So all this has been done with this indicator. Just saying. So updates are coming. Don't worry. I'm gonna be letting you guys know how it's doing. Tom, why don't you make it on TradingView? Most people have access. Yes, I'm not a coder, but I already contacted a coder recently, just a few days ago, and they might be able to put it to TradingView. I don't have a price for it now. I mean, because how much they would do it for. So what I can tell right now is if you download the MetaTrader on a demo account, just a demo account, a free MetaTrader demo account, and you put the indicator on, it can help you out to filter the trades, and you can also you can put it to Nasdaq futures, or I was trading Russell. You can do it there. So it's basically the same chart, 99.999% the same chart. So it's a good indicator for someone who's trading these futures. But yes, it's a good question, CryptoPanda. But they told me it can take up to a few $100s to code it, because they have to decompile all the parts of the code of the original indicator, because it was also a custom indicator. And yeah, maybe that's a good idea. But it was a custom indicator originally as well. It was coded by someone. So they told me they do have to decompile it, and they do have to take it all apart. It's basically exponential moving average, custom RSI, custom EMA, custom RSI, and something else. It has zigzag and fractals too, but that's not that important. And they said if they want to do exactly the same, it can take up to a few $100s for TradingView. So I'm gonna search for some other coders as well, because I can have a few. I don't want to spend a few $100s just for coding this for TradingView right now, at least not at this point. Maybe later, but you know, it is what it is. But maybe I will do. Who knows? But all I can tell you guys is I'm going to be maybe ChatGPT. Yeah, maybe. I don't have high hopes for it. But the thing is, I'm already doing a small mini course for it, and since I have no other income, and I won't have, unfortunately this month, I'm not going to have a payout from TOPSTEP, and this is the only thing I do. I might going to so I'm putting together all the courses, the mini course with modules and everything, with set files, with models, entry models, everything. I'm gonna put in the Discord membership as well into the price, because I'm thinking to put a small price tag on it, a one-time small price tag, because honestly guys, I do have to generate a little bit of extra income until I'm not reaching the goal where I'll be a Lambo trader. So that is something I'm working on in the background. But it's gonna be fine. The course is gonna be great. But first, I want to make sure that I can deliver the proper results by using this indicator. It's, by the way, it's in confluence with Smart Money Concepts. So all the trades I took with the indicator, I only took them when it was aligned with Smart Money Concepts. So that's it. That's how I filter out my trades. Because if you take every signal that the indicator tells you, you're going to lose money. That's guaranteed. But the way that I was using, and I'm still using it with Smart Money Concepts, is quite good. I like it. So the results, as you guys seen, they're very good. And I'm gonna put a video about that. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Odia-san, thank you. Yeah, it was a nice trade. It was a good trade. It was only a 1-to-1 risk reward, but yeah, the target was to go into this 15-minute fair value gap. So it actually happened. So everybody's happy. But ES can still go up there. As you can see, we still have a fair value gap on ES, a little bit higher. So let's hope. If so, yeah. CryptoLab is in the trade, I think, still on ES. Me, I'm not sure. Will London be putting in high of the day? I wonder. Well, it's a good question. It's a really good question, actually. Because if we go to the 1 hour and, for example, we made a new all-time historical high, right? There was, if I check, let's just go with the 1 hour. If I check it here, price went back up there, repriced and rebalanced this 1 hour fair value gap, then went back lower, made a few minor structure shifts here, and then repriced this area right there as well. Let me put it a little bit brighter. And this one too. Okay. So repriced these levels, went lower, lower and lower, all the way down to the 4 hour order block. Went back up there, repriced this liquidity void up there, reacted to this bearish order block. Now it repriced the 15-minute fair value gap. I wonder if the final target for this particular move would be a dip lower, for example, something like this, to take out sell side. I wonder. Yeah, there you go. So you entered on the 3-minute. Nice, 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 nice. So I wonder if this right there can be a potential target here as a sell side liquidity. Yeah, so can it be happening? As Shahid said, it can be. Maybe this is the day's high. London took out what it had to in terms of liquidity. If it wants to go higher on the 1 hour, the only logical move would be to go all the way up to above the 650 area, and then it should expand all the way to 750. But we're still missing that bullish momentum right now. I'm not sure if this push is going to be enough for it. But if we go to ES, and this is what's confusing me, we have an all-time historical high from 5,029. So that's not too far, guys. Whatever you think or not, ES is still extremely bullish. Do not forget this. ES is still extremely bullish. There's not too much to do. ES, as you can see, is ranging. We're pretty much in a range right here. You see? And what I think is that positions are accumulating in this range all the way since last Wednesday. And I wrote about this in my Discord. I think positions are accumulating, and in the big picture, maybe it's gonna happen until Friday or next week, who knows. We're just gonna accumulate and maybe gonna take out some lows and highs, and then boom. This can happen. Now, if this is the scenario with ES, then, you know, Nasdaq, I don't know. We are very close to the 18,000 level. Whole number. We can make a new history. So anything is possible, guys. Anything. Anything is possible. That's why I say, even, well, for example here, this 1 minute candle, let me show you. I know ICT loves to trade in the 1 minute and the 5 second and everything. This 1 minute candle is actually making a so that's a bearish market structure shift. I'm just saying, if you want to take a short, it's up to you. I'm not taking it. This here is a bearish market structure shift with a fair value gap. Stop here over 83, and you can target this low down there at 54. That would be the trade I would call out if I would be short, but I'm not short. And because of ES, I'm not sure I want to take a short. But I'm just saying, if you have the bulls, this is a short trade. And sell side should be resting right there. Sell side liquidity. Boom. That's a 1 minute entry right there. And I'm not taking it. You're welcome to take it, but I'm not. People on Twitter were calling SMT on the indices, saying possible top is in with regards to session trend. Yes. So NQ made a new high. I don't know. While ES didn't, so that could be a possible SMT. But I've also seen a lot of SMT divergences failing. So just the fact that we see an SMT divergence is a good thing, but we need a proper, depending on which time frame, of course. Even if we see an SMT divergence, I think we should be seeing, if we dip lower with one time frame below, we should be seeing a proper entry model to enter to that specific long or short trade. That's what I think. So for example, this was a bullish move. We still haven't rebalanced this 15-minute CB. And this was my reason for not taking a short here. I don't like taking a short when the fair value gap has still not been completely repriced or rebalanced. 630. So let me delete this anyway, because I didn't take this trade. Because I didn't want it to. So 630, as you can see, yes, previous day high, which is Friday high. Which is the high, 632. Yeah, 630 is a good target. If you want to go with the bodies of the candles, a safe exit would be 623 if somebody is holding a long position still. I think, be careful, profit taking can take place around 620s. So if I would be long, I would be exiting my final TP at 620 if I would be still in the trade. my final TP would be around 620, 623 maybe. Because as ICT says so, and I completely agree, the bodies tell the story. And although we have some wicks, but I always measure my targets. Well, not always, but I try to measure my targets to the bodies, not to the wicks. Or even to, if I go with the wicks, I go with the consequent encroachment. So yeah, it can go. It can go. Silver bullet hour is almost over, but so yeah, we took this trade, but I have no other entry right now. We just have to wait. And by the way, if you guys would be so kind to help out the stream by pushing the like button for me, I would be greatly and humbly grateful to you. Pushing the like button helps the stream to go a little bit higher. Yeah, silver bullet happened already. So also, if you're new here, consider to subscribe. I'm always here in the London session and most likely gonna be here in the New York session too. So having some talks, taking some trades. So far, we're doing some good trades, and I'm sharing all I can with you guys. Also, if you want to be a member, we have a $10 Discord membership. It's only a small group. Yeah, macro is coming. So we're only a small group, but I do share what I can. We're going to be uploading more material there. Trades taken, setups. We have some educational material. We have some indicators. So it's only $10 for a month, and it supports the stream, and most likely supports me. So thank you. That's it. That was the commercial. Let's see the macros. 403, 430 macro starting. Yes. So in terms of macros, pushing the like button makes you more profitable. Yeah, yeah. Clipes, hello bro. I think you need a video editor. Yeah, I do need a video editor. I do. I know. Because I don't know anything about video editing. I'm a dinosaur. I agree. I completely agree with you guys. And it's hard to do it on my own because I know nothing about video editing. I try to do my best, but yeah, I completely agree. Yeah, maybe I will hire someone, or I don't know, find someone on Fiverr. I'm not sure, because I just don't know about. I don't know video. I'm not good in video editing. Anyway. Use my Apex code on Friday. Oh, thank you. For Friday Night YOLO. ODSN, I hope you mates. Please tell me your account is in good health. Please tell me. Please tell me. Oh man. I did see that there was new accounts. If anybody purchases an account with Apex with my code, I don't see your email or I don't see anything, but I just see like one more number that there was one more purchase with my code. That's all I see. But I did see that there was new purchase on Friday. Well, I hope your account. I hope that your account is in good health. Oh man, and I'm still very grateful for you guys about helping me with the Apex codes, because I got to be eligible for a small payout from Apex for the mid-February, which is actually helping me out to pay some electricity bills and stuff like that. That's very good. I'm extremely grateful. So thank you so much. Viox is here. My friend didn't want to join. He's supposed to register today. Hey, no problem, man. It's all right. Can I edit your video in cheap price? Well, you know, I'm saying why not? I still don't know what the price range is for editing. You know, I honestly, Clipes, with all due respect, thank you so much for that, by the way. I was looking at Fiverr too, for someone who is good in editing. I haven't decided yet. I don't even know what are the price ranges, so I do have to do a search or do a thorough search of you know. I'm not really that much let go on money, so I do have to think about my expenditures. But as far as I pulled out money from TOPSTEP, I do have a lot of expense as I try to set my foot here solely from trading online and being here on YouTube. I always have to check my expenditures because I have a lot. So all I can tell you, Clipes, is that maybe send an email to me. It's in my about section in my YouTube channel, and I can get back to you later. That's all I can say. No promises. I want to check out what's going on with Fiverr. I do have, because you know, I was thinking I can do some raw material. I have some editing. I have some ideas for videos with good, sometimes funny content. So I thought that maybe it would be a great idea to make trading related videos with a little bit of a funny content or a little bit of an extra. Yeah, definitely. Clives, there. My email is tomsabobiz@gmail.com, by the way, but you can find it in the about section in the channel. Shoot me an email. And so I was thinking that maybe it would be great to have a good value in the videos, but next to it there should be not just the value, but a little bit of a funny stuff, some funny stuff, funny editing, some poems. I don't know. Second TP hit 589.75. Gonna leave. Wow, nice. Crypto Panda is killing it. What the hell is going on? Crypto Panda is killing it, guys. Applause for Crypto Panda. Wow. He's the one who's doing best today. Already lost it? Oh. I wasn't worried about the risk, to be honest, with their trading drawdown rule. Yeah, cheap price. 1 day pass. 20 account limit. They are kind of made. Yeah. I understand ODS sound. But hey, I mean, I hope you, I mean, not just because to use my code, but hey, do some more, because you have to be funded. You have to be funded. Yeah, Crypto Panda is killing it this morning, guys. He is the one. Like from the Matrix. I'm gonna have to find that sound effect somewhere. Do we have that somewhere? I think we have.
Morpheus believes he is the one.
Oh no. That was terrible. Morpheus believes he is the one.
He is the one.
Ah.
He is.
Sorry about that, guys. Terrible. I'm gonna find a nice sound effect for next time. How much profit? What? Well played. Okay. Thanks all. Yeah, you're welcome. How much profit you're on Apex? If you're asking me, so hold on. Crypto Panda is the algo. Yeah, I passed. Sir, oh wow, Serdar passed the 300k evaluation. A 300k evaluation. Now that deserves an applause. That really does. And by the way, I'm doing an Apex evaluation, and I'm doing a BULENOX evaluation, and I'm doing a My Funded Futures evaluation at this time currently. And on average, I'm up a few $100s on all of them, but I'm only taking micros. So I have to do an update video about those too. 20k profit. 20k profit, dude. That's awesome. That's awesome. Congratulations. Honestly, I think that's hell of a thing. That's hell of a thing. That's great. Super awesome. By the way, guys, just saying, it would be so nice to have everyone. I know everybody's obligated and we are having different time zones and jobs and stuff to do and IRL stuff, but it would be so great to have more people join on the New York streams to me. For the next month, which is going to be February, is going to be one of my goals to pull up the New York stream a little bit more. So that's gonna be exciting. So I'm gonna be streaming the New York sessions at least from the market open, at least until the end of the silver bullet hour, which is gonna be around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So most likely we should be finishing up, if we have a setup, by 11 or 11:30 a.m. And I'm not sure about the New York PM sessions, because then I would be sitting at my computer too long. And although this is my main job that I focus on, trading and streaming is going to be and already a part of it, I'm going to have to be careful of how to and how many time do I sit here. But I'm looking to pull the New York session streams up a little bit more. So you guys are welcome to join me in the New York session. Okay. So we have some very, very good results here. 300k eval. Wow. That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. New York AM session usually cleaner. Yes. What I realized from my own personal experience is that when I was starting to when I pulled the trigger after 9:30, so in between 9:30 and 10 a.m., most likely in the first 10 or 15 minutes of the market open, those are the minutes. Those are the times, especially minutes, when I F myself up. Excuse me for my French, but that small time window, that first 10 to 15 or 20 minutes for me is a complete disaster. Yeah. So yeah, compared to PM, definitely. So I know there's a lot of volume there. Everybody's doing some crazy stuff, and the Nasdaq is acting like crazy, up and down, up and down. It makes like a 100-point move in 5 seconds if it wants to. So I know that. And one of my flaws still is that it's hard to stand by and sit on my hands after New York open, because I see the volatility, I see the speed, and I want to participate in it, and I want to take the trade. And unfortunately, most of the time, well, it's around 50-50 right now, but still not profitable enough to trade for me with the New York opening range, or New York opening minutes, if I may say so. So I decided, yeah, of course I'm interested in the New York Open, but I still have to wait at least 15, 20 minutes or even for 10 a.m. or after 10 a.m. to look for the first move I'm willing to take, because the first 10 to 15 minutes on Nasdaq is just carnage. It's a massacre. It can be a real massacre. So I lost my profits quite a few times. The profits I made in London session, I just gave it all back in a few minutes after New York Open. So that's a huge mistake I have to overcome. It's still a problem for me. Best to wait at least, definitely. So one thing I'm working on myself right now is to wait at least 15 to 20 minutes or even more with the first trade. Even if I see some possibly nice setup forming, it's hard, but I need to sit on my hands and wait, because after that I always see that there are some very good setups coming in the 10 a.m. session, even in the 11 a.m. session. And before Christmas, the PM sessions were pretty much slow, but now I see that there are some good opportunities in the PM sessions too. If you're looking to make 10, 20 point moves, then, and we don't have strong news or anything like that, I think the PM sessions can provide some good moves for 10 or 20 points. That is like 7, 8, 9 p.m. for me in my time. So anyway, okay, as you can see, the 15-minute fair value gap or CB has been almost repriced, and now the 1 minute is, well, shifted structure, but not too much. Not too much. That wasn't a strong market structure shift. And let's look at ES. I like London session. It's calm and more manageable than New York session. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's definitely calm. It's definitely slower. So biggest thing is to be mindful of the AM session macros and how price manipulates during those times. That's a big truth there. Yes, Shahid. Yes, definitely. That is a big truth there. Look at that, 5 minute, just zooming it out. We have to wait for 50 seconds more. 5 minute could be shifting structure, just saying. Mm-hmm. 30 seconds more. Bearish market structure shift on the 5 minute. Let's see if it closes below that level or not. 10 more seconds. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this close is a market structure shift. Okay, so that was a market structure shift on the 5 minute, which I like. If it's not going to reprice this whole gap here, it's just gonna hover around here, then we could be having a nice target down there. Relative equal lows. So, relative equal lows down there could be happening. Let me know what you guys think. It's just a theory, just thinking out loud. Let me know what you guys think about this potential scenario. Top 5 is here. Top 5 is he's like the Gordon Gekko, guys. I'm just saying, he's killing the markets. He really does. Bro, I just sent you the email. Thank you. I will check it out after stream. All right. Actually, I can check it out now. But bearish breaker also on the 1 minute. Yes, bearish breaker on the 1 minute. This is a bearish breaker. Correct. Correct. So what? Crypto Panda says equilibrium at 566, 50% fib. Oh, just woke up. Well, you missed the trade. We made some good profits, so go back to sleep. It's cool. I wish I would sleep more. Look at this, by the way. Look at this. Crypto Panda has a great truth in here. If we put a fib tool here, 566 is the golden level of this 15-minute push here with a market structure shift to the left. So we came to the point of decision. What the heck is going on here? We're just at the midpoint of this beautiful bullish push with a market structure shift on the 15-minute. If ES wants to go for this high to take out that, then it can be also good for a long trade on Nasdaq. So if you guys want to take a long, oh my, this should be the place. Optimal trade entry at 560. There you go. Guys, this is very tempting. Oh my god. I don't know. The thing is that it can push higher. It can definitely do so. Oh, it's so hard to decide. The 15-minute looks bullish. If we still have the idea that we have this beautiful liquidity sweep down there, and now we are repricing all these levels, pushing higher, then the final target could be Friday high at 632. Everybody has a good opinion here. Optimal trade entry to go long on the 15-minute should be right here. Well, at 60. But if you want to take a long based on the 15-minute chart, it should be right around here. It doesn't really get any better than this, but you have to target the yeah, up there, the 632 level. Be careful, guys. Okay, so optimal trade entry, guys. Optimal trade entry on the 15-minute. If you're long, I'm short. I'm not taking a short. The reason why I'm not taking a short is that this candle went down too much, so I'm not taking a short right now. I mean a short, yeah. No retracement. If anything, this would look like a nice long opportunity because I'm bullish for the day, but it seems like we're just going down without any sign of retracement. Not even under 1 minute. There's no retracement. We're just dropping. We're just dropping. We are just dropping relative equal lows there. Tempting to go long. Oh, this was such a sharp drop. Alright, took a very tiny small long position here based on the 15-minute time frame. It's the smallest position I could take, so it's 1 micro, guys. 1 micro. Only 1 micro. And most likely I'm gonna get taken out. Yeah, my stop is gonna be at 39.25. 1 micro, guys, and I'm gonna keep this trade. If it's not taking me out, I'm gonna be holding this trade all the way to Friday high. This is the smallest position. Even if I lose this one, I would be still in profit for the session, so I don't care. I might even close it if I see this dropping like crazy. Yeah. Yeah. So if I stay in this one, I'm just gonna hold it until 6:32. Well, yeah. 6:20, 9:25, yeah. But I think it's gonna take me out. No worries. As I said, it's the smallest trade I could take. Relative equal lows should be taken out here, because it's just falling so sharp. Actually, I'm gonna close this trade. I'm gonna close this trade while I can. I'm still in. I'm gonna let you guys know if I close it. All right, nothing there. Yeah, I think I should close it. Doesn't look good. I thought it's gonna react to the 15-minute chart, but it's not reacting to it. It's gonna take out these relative equal lows, so I'm closing it. I closed it. I'm flat. I'm out. A tiny small loss. 1 micro. I'm still in a nice profit, so I thought we're gonna have a reaction, but now I'm pretty much confident that we should be taking out this 540 lows down there. Yeah, hard to go long. My entry was mainly based on the 15-minute push here. So this area made me to take a long and aim for those highs until New York sessions. But it was the smallest position I could take. Still in profit for the session, but yeah. Now I think we should just go down to visit the 40s. Nice! Very nice, Joey. Congratulations there. That's awesome, dude. That is awesome. Nice to hear. Alright. Alright, so nothing extra. I deleted my limits there. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I still have limits there. Why do I have the limit order there? Let me delete them. I have no idea. Based on the 1 minute chart. Okay, so I think it should be taking out, well, this low is at 41.25. Relative equal lows there. Yeah, could take it out. I don't know. Still close technically, but I don't know if those relative equal highs are gonna get taken out or not. It was a sharp drop, so what do you guys think? SMT on the 5 minute? Let's see. Oh yeah. So ES made a new low. That's nice. Which means we could be having a shift on NQ to the upside. So I might have closed it early a little bit. Oh well. Do I have some? I still have some limit orders? What the hell? Why do I have limit orders still? Damn, I have limit orders still. Why do I have limit orders? I have to delete them. Where did I put them? Anyway, I'm looking. I'm still looking. Maybe it can go up again. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, Joy, it was a real nice one. Joy, let me congratulate you on that one. That was a really, 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 really nice trade there. So congratulations. That's actually a nice one. That was actually a real nice one. I still have limit order. Why the hell is it not deleting it? I don't understand. And why is it put? Quant Tower is going crazy on my end. Anyway. Both ES and NQ have to fill all those. Yeah. Question is when. Usually the same session. Yeah. Agree. FVG 1 hour down, maybe it wants to visit. It can go. It actually can go down there very easily. We have those lows down there, but it can still go up there before and, you know, reprice these levels, and maybe it will drop, but we don't know that. Those relative equal lows are pretty significant though, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Anything can happen at this point. I'm just watching. Maybe we see something still in the kill zone. If it wants to drop or wants to reprice higher, who knows? Reacted to that fair value gap. This is a sell-off. Where there's still some nice targets down there, but I don't know. Not sure. I don't know what Price wants to do here, to be honest. Nobody knows, I guess. Are we going to take out those lows? Are we going to reprice higher? So far, there was a very, very small structure shift on the 1 minute. So that can be also good for a possible long entry. So, you know, that can be a long trade if you go down to the 1 minute. But at this point, it's hard to tell. I guess it wants to reprice higher. Yeah, look at that. What is ES doing? ES is also doing that. Small structure shift there. I don't know. NQ is going higher. It did react to the 1 minute structure shift there. Small long trade. If somebody wants to take a position on that one. So, but if I see the 5 minute, yeah, it can go all the way up to, let me see, up to the 67s. So another at least 10 or 11 points. And, you know, we just don't know what it wants to do. Let's go to 74 first. Well, yeah, we can go there. 74, then dip down if it's a sell-off. But we don't know. It repriced this level quite nicely, so I have no idea what it wants to do now. Does it want to take these lows now? It picked up some orders. Now it wants to deliver it down here. Who knows? Or we will make some new all-time highs. We don't know that. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, look at the 15 minute. It's still bullish, by the way. So all we have is these lows here after London Open. I don't know what the heck it wants to do. But you know, you could be long. You could have been long from this fair value gap on the 1 minute right there. Stop loss below there, maybe at 44. But I have no idea. It can still go down. Basically, it can reprice this small gap, or it can just continue up. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what it wants to do. What it wants to do with these levels. So far, this small tiny gap is still holding. There you go. Tapped into that gap with one tick, and now it's going up again. Almost like a perfect 2022 entry model. Question still remains, how long is it gonna go? But I would see this one go all the way up to the 70s. And, you know. Yes, need to take Friday high before coming down. Remember that 573? Yes. Thank you. Yes, exactly. I'm done for the day. I'm doing imagination trade. I buy and sell my mind. All right. Well, that's what you did good today, Serdar. So congratulations again. Take the day off. You know, you should relax. You should do some relaxation there. I have nothing here. Yeah, still no trades. The indicators are not showing anything anyway. So we don't know what's the plan here. ES so far on the 5-minute repriced a little bit of a range here. NQ also poked into a little bit of the 5-minute fair value gap. Let's check it. Yeah, just a little bit. So I don't know. Decision point actually for NQ. We only retest Friday point of control. Yeah, it was a no-brainer S&T. Yeah, sell off. Yeah, slow down. First 565 stop loss at break even. Nice. Well, that's good. That's good. That's good. Guys, don't forget to push the like button if you haven't already. That would really help out my stream. I would be forever grateful for those likes. Those are free and helping out the stream very much. Thank you again for considering it. And grab your codes, man. Last day for the Apex discount. Go shopping, you know. Apex shopping. So we're just watching what price wants to do at these levels. Is it going to go to relative equal lows there? No idea for now. So let's wait. Damn, I had the limit order. What the hell is going on with my terminal? Quant Tower. If I push the wrong button, it puts a limit order there. I don't know why. I'm still have to get familiar with Quant Tower because, man, it's not my cup of tea, that's for sure. I don't know what the hell. Yes, I do take a day off. I will stay away from the charts for yes, definitely. Hello, teacher FX is in the house. W's. Welcome. Good to see you, my friend. So, as I'm seeing these levels, I mean, the 41 level, which is actually the low here at 41, yeah, round number 41. It's very close, only 7 points away, and I'm guessing quite a few stops are here. Should be taken out. That 41 level should be taken out, and I think it will be sooner or later. Let's check the indicator. I'm curious. Is it giving us some entries? No entries on the Russell. No entries here. I can check the US 30 if you guys are interested. No entries on the US 30 as well. So let's go with this. All right, so nothing is going on. The only thing I would suggest is this should take out that 41 level right there. It's very close. For some of you guys who are scalping, it might be a good opportunity. It already broke the stop loss of this 1 minute entry up there. I did not take it. I was just saying that it was almost like a perfect opportunity, but because of these lows here, it's too juicy not to be taken out. I mean, those are below 41. Those are real juicy fruit. Okay, almost at 41. I have no trade on. I'm just saying it. I was just okay. There you go. 41 taken. So liquidity has been taken here. So that was it. I think that was the last move for the London session with any kind of significance. Maybe it can go below 36, but that's a lower probability. Now, if this is a bullish day, it should be starting to shift structure above the swing high at 61.62. Otherwise, I have no idea. All right. ES dumping more than NQ. I wasn't even checking ES. Oh yeah. ES is dumping. So if ES continues to dump, it can take out the midnight low levels all the way down to 49.10. I don't used to take a trade in the London session on ES because the volume is much lower and it's just so slow that it's very, very slow. Otherwise, I think I'm not looking to take more trades in this session. I took a nice win and then a very, very tiny loss with only 1 micro to try to go along here. But it seems like it's taken out these stops, so I manually exited, so only a tiny loss there. I'm perfectly fine with the London session. It was a great session, but guys, I think I'm gonna cut the stream here. Please come back in the New York session. Come back in the New York session and join me at the New York Market Open. And let's hope we can make some more trades. All right. And consider to grab your codes. Apex again is the one which gives a very good sale. 80% off. Use my codes. Subscribe to the channel and drop a like. Or you can check my other discounts as well. I have some links. Check the description. And see you guys soon, most likely in the New York session. Thank you so much for everyone being here. And if not today, I'll be here anyway. Today, I'll be here in the New York session and tomorrow in the London session too. Okay? So thank you guys again. Drop those likes. See you guys soon. Have a great morning or evening. Cheers, everyone.